Welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So today in this session we are going to discuss about state and national level previous Olympiad questions on the topic animals. Okay children, what is the topic? It is about animals. We are going to discuss some question and answers in this session. Okay, let us start with level 1 and the first question here. The organisms given below are similar as they all dash, like what do they all belong to, or what is their feature? Okay, organisms, like what organisms are there children? They are all like are animals. No, these are similar, they are all same. Why are they same? That we have to identify from the options. Okay, because they can crawl, because they can fly, because they can eat insects, or because they take care of their young ones. So how are these three common? Now you are having three birds or insects here. Okay, one is like a grasshopper type of insect, one is a mosquito, no, and one is a bird. So these are all similar because they can fly. Okay children, so B is the correct option. Now we'll go to the second question. Study the table given below. Which of these is incorrectly matched? Okay, we are having a table children here. So we have to identify which is incorrectly matched. In the sense which is not correctly matched. Okay, yes. So if you see children, this is the name of the animal, polar bear. And what is its outer covering? Fur. No. So this is correct. Like polar bear has the outer covering of the body with fur. So this is correct. Second one is animal is leopard. Outer covering of its body is feather. Is it true children? Is the body of the leopard covered with feather? No. So again this is okay, this is yes. So because this is not matched correctly, so this is our answer, that is B. Okay, and if you see here, animal, turtle, outer covering shell. Okay, this is also correct. And the snake is covered with scales. It's covered in the sense its body covering, outer covering with scales. So this is also correct. So which is not correctly matched from these four options is B option. Okay, that is our answer. Clear children? Now see here, you are having four animals here. Which of the following animals breathe through gills? Breathe through gills. Okay, so you are having snake, fish, crab and walrus. Okay, so which animal breathe through gills? So which animal children? Yes, it is B. No, it is B and also C. Okay, both fish and crab both can breathe through gills. So that is why only B and C, that is C option, is our correct answer. Clear children? Yes, now we'll go with the fourth question here. What is the adaptation by which a grasshopper protects itself from being eaten by its predator? What is the adaptation? Like its habit, or okay, by which a grasshopper protects itself from being eaten by its predator. So adaptation is where they can live according to the conditions of that particular place. Okay children, that is adaptation. Okay, so where a grasshopper can protect from its predator. Predator in the sense children, so the other animal which is going to eat this particular animal, that is grasshopper. Okay, so what is the adaptation? What feature it has got to protect from the enemies? So if you go with the options children, the first one is it tastes bad. Second one is it can hop away quickly. C is it can camouflage itself in the grass. D is it has a poisonous sting. Now grasshopper children, whereas you can see it very green in color, which you can see with mixed, as it is mixed with the plant or the leaves color. No. So it has got an adaptation of camouflage, that is which can change its color according to the surroundings. Okay, this feature. Okay, so when it is in grass it becomes green in color. So because of this it can protect by its enemies. Clear? Yes. So C is our correct answer. See children, here you are having again 4 animals here. Some animals have structural adaptations to mimic objects found in their environment. Which of the following can change its color to match the surroundings? Some animals have structural adaptations to mimic objects. Structural adaptations in the sense they have got their body to get adapted to mimic objects. In the sense, mimic means what? Mimicry. You have heard this word children, mimicry. What do we do in this mimicry? So we are going to imitate somebody's as they talk. No, we can just change the voice according to their tone. So that we call it as mimicry, imitating somebody. So here even these animals also, some animals, they can imitate the objects. In the sense, suppose if they are in the plant, on the leaves, they can just change their color according to their to that particular color of the leaf or a plant, or change the shape also sometimes of their body. Okay, so this is with like yes, which of the following can change its color to match the surroundings? So you are having 4 animals here. So which animal can change its color to match the surroundings? Okay, so which one children? Yes, it is the C option. It is the C option, that is chameleon. So it can change so many colors according to its surroundings. Clear? So you can see yellow, red, green. According to its surroundings, it can change many colors. So C is our correct answer. Again the next question children. Animals use different methods to escape from their predators. Okay, which one of the following is not true? Animals use different methods to escape from their predators. What are predators children? Which are going to harm them. No, which are like their enemies. Okay, they are predators which kill them and eat. Okay, so many animals use different methods to escape from their enemies, and which one of the following is not true? So here you have got 4 statements. So which is not true, that we have to mark that as the correct answer. Okay children, so if you go with the A option, the lizard sheds a wriggling tail to distract the enemy. B is the grasshopper has powerful hind legs to hop away quickly. C is crocodiles, lizards and turtles use their legs to crawl on the ground. Okay. A snake and a worm use their legs to crawl on the ground. So which is not correct? So all these 3 options are correct. Okay. The lizard, grasshopper, crocodiles do all these things as in the statements, but only the D, that is the wrong option, it is not true. So that is why D is our correct answer. Okay children, clear? And the next question is, given below are adaptations that allow aquatic animals to move easily in water. So here are some adaptations. Okay, so adaptations are like their features designed according to their comfortability in their living place. Okay, so here we are talking about some aquatic animals, and what are their features which make them to move easily in water. So what are they? Whether a streamlined body, or breathing tubes, or webbed feet, or gills, or fins, which are going to help them to move easily in the water. Okay children, so if you go with the answers, A, that is a streamlined body, and then C, the webbed feet, and then E, fins. So these three features are going to help them to move very easily in the water. So A, C and E. Okay, we have this in our B option. So B is the correct answer. Clear, children? Yes. Now, how are birds adapted for flight? Adapted for flight. Flight in the sense like flying. Okay. How are birds adapted for flight? So through their body shape, or by smooth waxy feathers, or hollow bones, or beaks. What make the bird to fly? Okay, what helps, which body part, or how does the body help the bird to fly high in the sky? Okay, where, children? Which one? Yes, it is like their body shape. Okay, their body shape and smooth waxy feathers, and also their hollow bones. No, beaks. Beaks are for eating and catching the food. No, but not for flying. So A, B and C are the correct answer. Where are they? Yes, in the C option. A, B and C is the correct answer. Clear, children? Now, if you observe here, you have got three pictures. Observe the organisms below. Which of these animals breathe through moist skin? You have got a pigeon here, snake here and a frog. No, three. So which of these animals are going to breathe through moist skin? Whether P, Q or R. Okay. So which one, children? Snake and frog. That is Q and R. No. So because their skin is moist, so they breathe through their skin. So C is the correct answer. Only Q and R. We'll move on to the next question now. The bat does not belong to the same group of animals as the other three living things because it dash. See here, you are having four pictures, children. Like you have a hen, you have a sparrow, you have a penguin and you have a bat. So we are talking about the bat in this question. So what we are telling is the bat, it does not belong to the other group of animals. Okay, as the other three living things, because what is the difference? Is because it is a carnivore, because it can fly, it hunts at night, or does not have feathers. Does not have feathers. Which one will match, children? Yes, that is D option. No, because even sparrow also can fly. No, sparrow also can fly. So because it does not have feathers. Okay, so D is the correct option. And the next question here. Study the concept map below. Which of the following can organism X be? See, children, this X organism has all these four characters. Okay, like it can breathe through its moist and thin skin. It can lay eggs in water. It can live both on land and in water. And eggs are fertilized externally. Okay, so it has got this all four characteristics. Okay, so what is that particular organism? So you have got an insect here, you have got frog here, fish here and an walrus here. So frog is our correct answer. That is B option. So which has got all these four characters. Okay, children, clear? Now, which of the following animals breathe through body holes? Which of the following animals breathe through body holes? Okay, children. So here if you see in the picture, you have got a cockroach. These are prawns. This is a rat and this is a lizard. No, which can breathe through body holes? So that we have to identify. That is the cockroach. A option. This is the correct answer. Clear, children? Now Observe the animals given below. In what ways are these animals similar? Okay, so you have got a penguin and a tortoise and a walrus. So in what ways these animals, are same? Similar is nothing but same. Okay, so how? They have flippers to help them move in water. They can live both on land and in water, and they have lungs to breathe in oxygen. Okay, children. So you have got three features. They have flippers to help them move in water. This is true. And they can live both on land and in water. Okay, this is also true. They have lungs to breathe in oxygen. Okay, so this is also true. So our answer is 1, 2 and 3. Three characters match with 3 animals. Okay, so that is why D is our correct answer. Clear, children? Now the next question. Webbed feet is an adaptation. Why do we use webbed feet, children? Especially for swimming? No. So this is an adaptation in whether in aerial birds or in reptilian birds or in aquatic birds or in ostrich. Okay, and the answer is C. That is in aquatic birds. Clear, children? Yes, we'll move on to the next question. Anish spotted an animal during his visit to a reservoir. The animal swims and has a tail. It also spends its entire life in water. It cannot live without water. Which of the outer coverings does the animal Anish saw most likely to have? So children, here Anish, he just visited he visited a reservoir. Reservoir is nothing but a large water body like a lake. Okay, so he has seen an animal there. So how it is? It can swim and it has a tail. It spends its entire life in water. In the sense, it lives only in water and it cannot live without water. And which of the outer coverings does the animal Anish saw most likely to have? Okay, so what is that? What is the outer covering? What are the outer covering does the animal Anish saw most likely to have? What is that, children? It is about the fish. No, the scales, outer covering of the body. So D is our correct answer. Clear? D is the correct answer. Because fish has a tail, fish will live only in water and its outer covering is with the scales. Okay, children? Now we'll go with the next question. The diagrams below show a bird and a bat. In which way are the two animals similar? So how are they similar? How are they both same? Like there is like an eagle here and a bat here. Okay, how are they two similar? They both have wings, they both lay eggs, they both have beaks, they both have feathers. Okay, children? So actually bat doesn't have feathers. No, even bat doesn't have beak also. And bat doesn't lay eggs also. So that is why what happens? A is the correct answer. That they both have wings and they can fly. Here, which of the following animals and its respiratory organs is spelled correctly? Okay, see here you have got the animals, children, in adaptation and the function. What does this particular part help them to respire, for which is used for breathing. Okay, respiratory organ which helps them to breathe. So which is paid correct, that we have to identify. Okay, now we'll see parrot lungs. This is correct. Parrot breathe with lungs, correct. Fish breathe with gills. This is also correct. And earthworm through skin. This is also correct. Okay. And what is left over? Cockroach with gills. This is wrong. So 1, 2 and 3 are paid correct. So 1 and 2 and 3, that is D option is the correct answer. Now the next question, birds that swim in water have dash. What do they have, children? As we learnt earlier, birds that swim in water have webbed feet. No. So A is the correct answer. Shows an animal. Which of the following animals breathes in the same way as the animal shown above? See children, you are having a fish here. Okay. So as the fish breathe, so we have to match some other animal from these options where some other animal which breathes same like as the fish. Okay. Like you have got prawn, caterpillar, whale and worm. So A is the correct answer. That is prawn. Okay, they breathe through gills. Okay, children. Now the next question. Penguins live in the polar regions. Which adaptations enable them to survive? So penguins, you know, no children. So they live in polar regions, very cold regions. Which adaptations enable them to survive? So they have a layer of fat under their skin. Second is they have webbed feet. The third is they migrate to warmer climates during winter. Okay, so which one will match, children? That is 1 and 2. They have a layer of fat under their skin and they have webbed feet. Okay, these two options are the right options. That is A is the correct answer. Now, the figure shows a fish. Why is structure P important to the fish? So why is structure P important to fish? Okay, children. So here you are seeing this particular body part labeled as P. Why is this important to fish? It helps the fish in swimming. It helps the fish in finding direction. It helps the fish in maintaining its balance and it helps in protecting the fish. Okay, so why, children? Because this fish, this part is going to help the fish to find the direction. Okay, that is the tail fin. That is the tail fin. That is like the muscles. So muscles, okay. So muscles of the tail fin. This is going to help the fish in finding the direction. Clear, children? Now, the traveling long distances to avoid hardships of winter is called. Traveling long distances to avoid hardships of winter. So when winter comes, there is so much of cold and snow. So to avoid that hard climate, so animals, they travel from one place to another place. So what is that? Traveling long distance is called. That is migration. Okay, children, the A option, migration. Okay. And if you see, adaptation is living according to the surroundings. No, hibernation is the winter sleep and estivation is the summer sleep. So migration is the correct answer, where they move from one place to another place. Here, look at the figure given below. It has few predators because of its. So here you are having a picture of a tortoise, children. So it has few predators, in the sense very few enemies because of its. Because the enemies or the other animals, they cannot attack this because of its what? Big feet, small eyes, hard shell or large mouth. Because of its hard shell. So C is the correct option. No, children, because of this hard shell. And what happens? It also, the tortoise also takes its head inside the shell. No, inside its shell. It just takes its head inside the shell to protect from the enemies. Because of that also, so it is been protected and it has got very few enemies. Which of the following is called the ship of the desert? Which animal, children? Ship of the desert, like yak, camel, horse or zebra? Camel. That is B option. The next question. which of the following animals is an omnivore? Is an omnivore in the sense which eats both plant food and also an animal food. Okay, children. So you have got a snake, you have got a crocodile, a bear, and also a rabbit. So C option, that is a bear. It is an omnivore. Clear? Now, which of the following uses its legs as oars? Legs as oars. Okay. So what is that? Whether prawn, tadpole, water boatman, or moth. Okay, C is the correct answer. That is water boatman. Okay, children, understood? Now we'll enter into the level 2 question and answers. Which of the following is a function of queen bee in the beehive? Queen bee. Okay, the queen of the bee. Which of the following is a function of queen bee in the beehive? Whether to look after the baby bees, or to collect nectar from flowers, or to lay eggs, or to make the beehive. Okay, C is the correct answer. Which lays the eggs is called as a queen bee. And what is its work? Its work is to lay eggs. Okay, children. Next question. Which of the following statements is or are false? Okay, which of the following statements are false? The first one is the fat deposition under the skin protects animals from cold climate. Okay, and now all mammals are terrestrial. Third one, all birds can fly. Fourth one, platypus is a mammal that lays eggs. So we have to identify which statement is false, not correct. Okay, so if you see, then this is a correct statement. First one, this is a wrong statement. All mammals are terrestrial. No, some are aquatic. All birds can fly. This is also wrong. Some birds can't fly. Okay, so platypus is a mammal that lays eggs. This is also correct. So 2 and 3, that is D option is our correct answer. Clear, children? Yes, now we'll move to the next question. Earth's polar regions are extremely cold and covered with snow. Which of the following features does the polar bear have to withstand the cold in these regions? So Earth polar regions. No, polar regions are very cold regions, and we have got an animal. What is that? That is polar bear, which lives in this region. So which of these following features this polar bear has got to withstand the cold in these regions? Like to withstand, to tolerate this cold in these polar regions. Okay, whether it is webbed feet, hollow bones, thick fur, or paddle-like limbs. It is the C option, children. Thick fur. It is covered. The polar bear is covered with thick fur, where this fur makes the body of the bear warm. It keeps the body warm. Okay, clear, children? Now here the given picture is of. What is it? Is it flies larva, or mosquito larva, grasshopper larva, or cockroach larva? What is it? It is B, that is mosquito larva. Oh, children, clear? Now the next question. Arctic tern migrate from. Arctic tern, it is a small bird, children, which lives in this Arctic region, cold region. It migrates, it moves from this place to which place? Whether from Antarctic region to Arctic region, or Arctic region to Antarctic region, Pacific region to Atlantic region, or Atlantic region to Arctic region. Okay, so which is the correct answer? It migrates from Arctic region to Antarctic region. It moves from Arctic region to Antarctic region. So B is the correct answer. Now the next question, children. Wool is obtained from. Wool is obtained from. So very easy answer for you, either sheep, rabbit, goat or all of these. Yes, A is the correct answer, that is sheep. No, wool is obtained from sheep. Which of these animals shows camouflage, that is changing its color and shape according to the surroundings? Okay, so either you have got here mosquito, like a stick insect, children. It is like a stick insect. It looks as a grasshopper also. This is a chameleon. Okay, all these three have got this feature. So that is why D is the correct option. D is the correct answer. Clear? Now the next question. Which of the following statements is correct? So the mass movement of animals from one place to another is known as hibernation. So this is wrong. No, we don't call this as hibernation, it is migration. Gills are special organs with which all mammals breathe. This is also wrong. No, even some mammals have lungs also to breathe. Emu is a flightless bird. So this is the correct statement. D option is mammals like ants and cockroaches crawl on their legs. Okay. So this is also wrong. So that is why C is our correct answer. Clear, children? Now the next question. Where will you put termites in the following table? Termites is a small bird, children, again. So here you have to place either in P, Q or S. Where do we place this? That we have to identify here. Okay, so with wings, see here. So with wings is and without wings. Okay, so two pairs of legs with wings becomes P, three pairs of legs and with wings becomes Q. Okay, now two pairs of legs and without wings becomes R, and three pairs of legs without wings becomes S. So where do we put this bird in this boxes? It is yes. Okay, children. So yes, in the sense this particular bird has got three pairs of legs and without wings. Okay, three pairs of legs and without wings. So yes is the correct match and D is our correct answer. Okay, children, clear? In the given figure of the life cycle of a butterfly, the stage 3 represents. Now butterflies, you have got 4 stages. The stage 3 represents. What is that? Whether pupa, caterpillar, nymph or adult. That is A. Pupa is the correct answer. Okay, children. So now we'll go with the last question. Which of the following is the beak of a duck? Beak of a duck. So it is very easy for us to identify. No. So B. B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Okay, children, clear? So this is what we have learned today and we'll be continuing in tomorrow's session. So hope you are all clear with this. So take care and stay well. Goodbye, children. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for further notifications.